In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Hubspot. By the end, your scheduling tool and your CRM will be talking to each other, so meetings booked in Calendly can automatically create or update contacts and log activities in Hubspot, saving you manual data entry and keeping your pipeline clean. Start by opening Calendly and signing into your account. From your Calendly home, look to the left-hand sidebar and open Integrations and Apps. This is Calendly's directory of native connections and add-ons. It's organized and searchable, so you don't have to scroll through everything if you already know what you want. In the directory, use the search bar and type HubSpot. When the HubSpot tile appears, click it to open the dedicated integration page. Take a moment to scan the overview here. You'll see what the integration does at a glance, typically things like creating or updating contacts when someone books with you and logging meetings on the contact timeline, along with any plan requirements or notes about permissions. This quick review helps you know what to expect once it's connected. Next, click Connect HubSpot. Calendly will redirect you to a secure authorization flow. If you're brand new to HubSpot, you'll be prompted to create a HubSpot account. That simply means entering your basic business details and setting up your workspace so you have a HubSpot portal to connect to. If you already use HubSpot, choose the option to sign into your existing account instead. After you sign in or after you finish creating your account, select the correct HubSpot workspace if you have more than one. You'll then see a permission screen outlining what the integration needs to function properly, such as access to contacts and the ability to log activities. Review these, make sure they align with your organization's policies, and approve the connection. If you don't see the approve button or you get an access error, check that you have the right permission level in HubSpot or ask an admin to complete the authorization. When authorization is successful, you'll be sent back to Calendly with a confirmation that HubSpot is connected. From here, Calendly will start syncing meeting data to HubSpot based on the defaults. If your organization uses specific contact properties or custom fields, you can revisit this integration page later to review any available settings and align them with your team's process. A quick note, consistent naming of event types in Calendly makes reporting in HubSpot clearer, since activity names and descriptions will be easier to filter. That's it, your Calendly and HubSpot accounts are now integrated and ready to streamline your scheduling and CRM workflows.